So I'm going to put this Gentle Magic. So to make sure that your makeup doesn't crease, make sure you're working on a clean surface. Your face must be thoroughly washed and you just need to moisturize. So that's the Gentle Magic serum. So when you're moisturizing, make sure that your under eye is moisturized. If you don't moisturize your skin, it will break out, because at times it won't stand the harsh condition of the makeup chemicals. You understand? So, and also it avoid creasing, especially under the eye. So you need a moisturizer. It's just for your skin care. We are not doing it mostly for the makeup, but we're doing it for your skin care, everyday skin care. So after applying your moisturizer, you need to make sure that it's dry before you go on with your primer. So make sure that the moisturizer sets. It might not be too dry, but make sure that it's set, it's not wet on the face. This will also help to avoid creasing. So this is the color corrector primer, or primer Asha's one. So we're going to just put it exactly on this T-zone. So to avoid creasing under eye, do not apply primer under eye. So we just focus on the T-zone exactly. So make sure you don't put primer on your under eye, because we don't want this under eye to be dry. We just want it to stay moisturized. Okay, right now I've got this, my foundation from the Signature Stores. So it's the one that we are going to apply. So if you see that your foundation if your foundation is more darker than your skin tone, you just mix it with concealer, just a little bit of a concealer to make it more lighter. Okay, so for a smooth flawless finish, you need to make sure you are working with the damp beauty blender. So when I squeeze it, water is not supposed to come out because it's not wet, it's damp. Okay, so it will just help with blending, with a smooth flawless blend. See how this foundation is going into my skin. Liquid concealer, so I'll just put it right here, just a little bit of it. So mostly you need this concealer that is up if you are dark, or if you have same skin tone as mine. So this is a foundation stick, so I'm going to use it as a contour, but if you are dark skin, you can use this for your foundation, like if you are more darker than my own skin. So me, I'll just use it as a contour. So we're going to contour here. We measure, it must be upper, not below this line. It must be upper, this line. Like on this, you put your finger like this, then you must contour here. Not too up, but just here. Contour there. Here. Up top. I use for foundation just to make it seamless. Then I'm going to do it here. Press, then blow. Here, then with my beauty blender, press, and blow. Then set. Then I'm going to set here. So this wet beauty blender, you're not supposed to dip it here, because as you dip it here, in the long run it will break, it will smudge. In the long run you just waste your compound. Let me show you how you can dip something wet like this. Something wet like this, you need to dip it in a place like this, in a in this powder, loose powder. You dip this wet damp one, but if you dip in a strong one, it will break as time goes on. Okay, right now I'm going to use this my brush just to tap here so that I can set other places that needs to be set. Okay, do reverse contour. Okay, so I'm going to use this one just to set my contour. Okay, so we are going to go with this darker version of contour. Just you can just blend it the way you want to blend it. And here these pinkish orangish shades to, it's a earth tone as a blush. So blush, you just smile, then you know that we're gonna blush here. Between to remove these lines, I'm just going to dip here, then I'll just press, dip in the powder. So any lines, anything that you want to remove, you dip here, then lightly press.
Mommy?
Shh, Chama, okay, sleep. Lightly press on this bone. Touch. So here's the highlighter. You see that glittery shade? It's the one that we are looking. Listen. So I'm going to put a little bit here. So right now I have these 3 pencils. You can see this one got a shimmery end. So this one is a eyeshadow pencil. It's an eyeshadow pencil. This one, it's an eyebrow pencil, but it can work as a lipstick pencil. So this thick one, it's a lip metallic lip, Mimikyu metallic lip and waterproof. So this is a thick one. So let us use it for the lips. You see, the thick one is for the lips. I'm going to use this matte lipstick. Just if you don't have this, you can use concealer. A little bit of this concealer. Then from there we use some strokes. To use this concealer and a flat brush, and then I'll just and that's cream. This thick lip liner, of course, and this one we are going to use it as our eyeshadow, and this one we're going to use these two as our eyeshadows. So let us go. So I'll just here as like this, and from here I'll just go upwards straight. See, I'll just drag it with my nail just to extend it. See, let's do it to the other one. We just draw the waterline. You see what is here is different from what's here. So let us use this metallic one. So right now I'm just going to use this brown shade just to blend that tip.
I don't know what.
You have done your wonderful, beautiful makeup. Don't forget to lock it with the setting spray. Lock it with the setting spray so that it can stay long.